Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create profile on Netflix. Okay, so to do this we have to first open the netflix.com website in our browser and then click in the right upper corner. Next we have to simply go for manage profiles, and the maximum number of profiles on one account it's 5. So as you can see, I have 4 profiles and I can create the last one. So click to add the profile. You can set the name. You can select, for example, the movie is rated for ages below 12. So you can select that's the profile, that's kid profile. Click to continue, and as you can see, it was created. So right now we can click done, and you can open this profile. And each profile have a separate history, so you don't have to worry about that. And that's how it looks. As you can see, that's very simple. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.